Good morning, students. Today's topic is absorption at solid interfaces. Generally, absorption is a surface phenomenon. During this process, a gas or liquid onto a solid surface can be absorbed. Absorption of gas or liquid onto a solid surface is important phenomenon in pharmacy. Generally, molecules are made up of either atoms or molecules or ions. Absorption is the addition of atoms or ions or molecules from a gas or liquid dissolved solid to a surface. This process creates a film of absorbate on the surface of the absorbent. So, what is absorbent and what is absorbate? Absorbent, the material used to absorb gases or liquid, is called as absorbent. Example, activated charcoal. Absorbate, the substance that is attached to the surface of the solid, is called as absorbate. By observe the following diagram to distinguish between absorbent and absorbate. In this diagram, gas molecules are absorbed on the surface of the activated charcoal. In this diagram, activated charcoal is referred as absorbent. The molecules of gas are called as absorbate. These absorbate molecules are form a film around the absorbent surfaces. The degree of absorption mainly depending on nature of absorbent and its surface area, nature of absorbate and its partial pressure of gas, and temperature. Depending on the nature of interactions, absorption is classified into two types: physicoabsorption and chemicoabsorption. Physicoabsorption is also called as physical absorption. Chemicoabsorption is also called as chemical absorption. To understand the differences between physical and chemical absorption, discussed in follows. Chemical absorption. In chemical absorption, heat of absorption is very high. It lies in between 40 to 4000 kilojoules per mole. In physical absorption, having low heat of absorption having 20 to 40 kilojoules per mole. Chemical absorption is highly specific and physical absorption is non-specific. Chemical absorption may involve dissociation process. In physical absorption, no dissociation of absorbed species. Chemical absorption occurs possible over a wide range of temperature. Physical absorption occurs at low temperatures. Examples of physical activated may be slow and irreversible. Physical absorption is non-activated and rapid and reversible. In chemical absorption, electron transfer in order for bond formation. In physical absorption, no electron transfer occurs. Examples of physical absorption process: absorption of gases on charcoal. Example for chemical absorption is absorption of oxygen on silver or gold. Physical absorption, enthalpy of absorption is low, enthalpy of absorption is high. For physical absorption, no activation energy is needed. For chemical absorption, high activation energy is needed. Physical absorption process is a instantaneous. Chemical absorption is a slow process. In some cases, the phenomenon opposite to the absorption is termed as desorption. It is also called as desorption, the process in which absorbed molecules or ions are removed from the solid surface. That is called as desorption. According to concept of surface tension, molecules at the surface are unstable in nature. These molecules or ions that are present in the surface of the solid do not have all their forces satisfy the attraction of other particles. The thermodynamic considerations of absorption procedure follows. Absorption is entirely surface phenomenon. The greater the surface area, greater the absorption process. When a substance is finely divided into fine state, surface free energy can be increases. The relationship between surface free energy and can be explained by following equation. This equation gives the relationship between surface free energy to the surface area and work done. W is equal to delta G is equal to delta HA into surface tension, where above equation W is equal to work done to obtain the division of particles. Delta A means increasing in their surface tension due to finer state. Delta G means increased in surface free energy. The enhanced surface area of the molecules, it is also enhance their surface free energy. The powder or absorbent becomes thermodynamically unstable, so these problem can be corrected by systems tend to minimize surface energy and regain stability. Delta surface area cannot be decreased, so reduction of surface free energy can be taken to increase their stability. A surface free energy take place by movement of solute or ions or molecules on the surface of the particles and form film around it. It decreases the surface free energy of a absorbent. The reduction in surface free energy is called as absorption. During the process reduces the surface free energy, so their stability can be regained. Absorption should not be confused with absorption. The absorption is defined as molecules are entered the body of the liquid or solid applications of absorption. Absorption of gases or solid on the surface of the solids are important in pharmacy. In cold mines, absorb the poisonous gases at the surface of the mask. Absorption of traces of air to remove from the devices. Absorption of moisture in the medicines by using of silica gel pellets during storage process. Absorption of coloring agent by charcoal to get a clear solution. Absorption of catalyst on reactant in order to increase the rate of reaction. Absorption is very important step In solid catalyzed reaction, absorption itself a common process used in industries in purification and depollution, decolorization and deodorization, during solvent recovery, trace compound enrichment. Usually, absorption is only applied for a process with small capacity. Commonly used absorbents are molecular sieves, active carbon, silica gel and activated alumina. Physical absorption is useful technique for determining the surface area, the pore size, pore shape and size distribution of for solid materials by using BET surface area equation. Chemical sorption or chemisorption is a phenomenon. Chemical reactions are occurs between surface and absorbent. In this process, new chemical bonds can be generated at the absorbent surface. Examples: macroscopic phenomena like corrosion, catalytic reactions, absorption of oxygen or silver or gold. It is associated with strong medical chemical bonds. It is a reversible and more specific. It can occur at high temperatures and heat of absorption is high, restricted to form monomolecular layer. This is the today's class. You will study the or understand the absorption of at solid surfaces and types of sorption process or absorption process, and what are the various types of factors influencing on it, and applications of absorption on solid surface in pharmaceutical field. Thank you.